Welcome. In this video, we'll break down bookkeeping in a simple way. If you're new to bookkeeping, don't worry, I'll start from the very basics. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the process of recording and tracking financial transactions for a business or individual. It's essential for knowing where your money is coming from and where it's going, so you can make better financial decisions and keep your finances organized. Key bookkeeping terms: assets, things you own that have value like cash, equipment, or property. Liabilities, debts or obligations you owe to others, such as loans or unpaid bills. Revenue, the money you earn like sales or interest income. Expenses, the costs to run your business, such as rent, utilities, and salaries. Equity, what's left after subtracting liabilities from assets, essentially your ownership in the business. Basic bookkeeping tasks. Recording transactions, every time you make or receive money, record it. Use receipts, invoices, and bank statements to keep track. Categorizing transactions. Group similar transactions into categories, e.g., rent, office supplies. This helps you understand your spending and earning patterns. Reconciliation. Regularly compare your records with your bank statements to ensure everything matches and there are no errors. Generating reports. There are two main reports to generate. Income statement shows your revenue and expenses over a specific period. Balance sheet, a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a certain point in time. Tools for bookkeeping. Manual books, simple but time-consuming. Spreadsheets, flexible tools like Excel but require manual updating. Bookkeeping software, automated tools like QuickBooks or Xero that save time and reduce errors. Tips for beginners: stay organized, keep receipts, invoices, and financial documents in one place. Be consistent, record transactions regularly, ideally daily or weekly. Learn basic accounting. Knowing basic accounting principles helps make bookkeeping easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to HIP CV for more helpful tips.